Akron city leaders are taking a stand against a proposed state bill they say could discriminate against LGBTQ plus Ohioans. Your Summit County reporter Remy Murray tells us more about the proposal and how those leaders are reacting.
At the end of the day, people need to feel free to express who they are.
Before Pride Month comes to an end, Mayor Shammas Malik says Akron city leaders are sending a message to Ohio lawmakers when it comes to House Bill 249.
This resolution passes 13-0.
This comes after Akron City Council unanimously passed a resolution on Monday to affirm support for LGBTQ plus residents in Akron and oppose the suggested state measure.
People have been engaging in drag performances for a long time, and to restrict that, and especially in what is a pretty incoherent understanding of the First Amendment that probably violates the First Amendment, probably would get struck down in the courts, is something that we don't need to do.
Back in March, we first told you about House Bill 249 when a group of drag performers testified against it. Now Mayor Malik and Councilperson Fred Wilson are speaking out because they're concerned about the proposed Ohio law, which would create new penalties for some drag and adult cabaret-style performances and could impact certain transgender performers.
It prohibits expression of drag, of performance, a lot of important cultural aspects for the queer community and for our local community.
Why is it important for Akron to take a stand now?
It's important that as it moves towards potential passage in the Senate, we want to speak out and speak against this bill.
In March, when we spoke to State Representative Josh Williams, one of the bill's sponsors, he told us there are some exceptions, such as musicals at local theaters.
This statute simply says you can't perform that obscene performance with a minor being present.
He even sent us a new statement on Tuesday to explain how this bill is, quote, about protecting children, not targeting any particular group or form of expression. He believes, quote, children deserve age-appropriate environments, and Ohio has a responsibility to ensure they are protected from obscene sexualized performances.
We've always been here. We're always going to be here. We don't need restrictions. We need support.
The bill is now in the Ohio Senate chamber, where it was sent to committee on April 15th. In Akron, I'm your Summit County reporter, Remy Murray.